I've been working with JT. Where are you at, man? He's over there by the cash box. JT. Well, no, not quite yet. JT and Logan. We've been working on trying to start an alt country band, and I actually started penning the first song for this band the other day. Would you guys like to hear it? Yeah. Cool. All right. It's only a verse and a chorus at this point, but I'd like to just get a feel for it. Well, my friend John got dealing with depression, 'cause his wife Lucille got busted for possession, and the mounting legal fees, oh, it brought him to his knees. And he's longing for his darling's sweet affection. Lucille, Lucille, I must be going crazy, 'cause I drink myself to sleep inside the bar, and business going slow, and I'm running out of dough. So I think I'm gonna have to sell your car. Well, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that the amazing stories you read on Reddit as far as how far people have fallen actually makes for good songwriting. So. All right, let me change guitars for a second here. Back to original material, of course. Oh. Was a long forgotten winter when I met young Annalie. By spring we were in love, and I asked if she'd marry me. And I didn't know the price I'd pay when she happily agreed. I didn't know the storm ahead that would bring me to my knees. She siphoned gas from my car just to make it to the bar, where she'd always drink for free. Come home like a wreck, and she'd stumble out her dress, said she never cared for me. She was a hurricane that I tried to survive. She was a wilting flower that I tried to keep alive. Her so much I knew I couldn't leave. And despite all of our problems, I knew she still cared for me. And I didn't listen to anyone who advised me not to stay. I let her love just blind my eyes as the sky was turning gray. She could never keep a job, never hesitated to rob me. Every dollar and every dime. One night in July, well, she punched me in the eye, begged forgiveness as she cried. She was a hurricane, and I knew I couldn't stay. One night destruction came, and I had to run away. Well, 5 years passed and my heart of glass is mended by some glue. She moved up north to get a job and found a lover to pursue. Though the storm I know is faded, leaving just a gentle breeze. I might have been destroyed, but it was all worth it to me. She was a hurricane when I had to set her free. Now she's a glowing rose, and I'm happy as can be. She was just a hurricane for me. Only a hurricane for me.
Thank you.